Hi guys, as we all know, an intro can often express a theme of your video. And today, I've created a summer vibe intro using vibrant colors and lively effects. And I believe you can find some great inspo from this video. Launch VideoProc Vlogger. Create a new project. Import all the prepared materials. Find this icon and click on it. Change the default black background to bright yellow. Click Apply to apply the adjustments. Click the text icon in the toolbar and delete the text content. Find the camera icon above the preview window and click on it to generate the current image. Return to the main interface and click the icon again. Change the color to bright orange. Click the camera icon to generate the second image. Continue using the same method to get more images and import them together. Drag the 3 images to the video track in order and adjust the durations. Open the Transitions panel in the top left corner. Find the Auto Wave transition and drag it between the 2 images. Adjust the duration. And choose another transition for the next 2 images. Adjusting the duration again. Finally, open the Effects panel, find the Repose effect, and drag it to a timeline. Adjust the duration. And edit the scope in the inspector. Uncheck Canvas and check Image Only. Adjust the properties to complete it. Click this button to add a few overlay tracks. Drag a video to an overlay track and adjust the duration. Adjust the scale in the inspector. Find the motion icon in the toolbar and click on it to enter the new interface. At the first frame, click Add Keyframe and adjust the box to fill the entire screen. Move the playhead forward and click Add Keyframe, then add a speed curve. Then we return to the first keyframe. Move the box to right until it's out of the frame and click Apply to apply the adjustments. Drag another video to overlay track 1, adjust its duration and scale. And enter the Motion Editor panel to add a sliding effect. After this, drag a bright yellow image to a timeline and adjust the timing. Click Hide in the inspector to fit it to a screen. Use the same method to add a sliding effect for the yellow image quickly. Add a bright orange image to an empty track and add a sliding effect similarly. Generate 2 identical keyframes for it further down the timeline. Select the 4th keyframe, adjust the box to make the image smaller and position it in the top left corner, and add a speed curve. Don't forget to click Add Keyframe at the last frame to keep the animation. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Drag 2 videos and a green image to a timeline, adjusting their scale and position respectively to achieve the desired scene. Click this icon to add a few subtitle tracks. Select the text on the timeline and adjust its duration. Add a content in Inspector. Choose the desired font style. Adjust the text size and position it in the frame. Click the color box to change the text color. Scroll down to the animation area and add an appear animation. Scroll further down to remove the text shadow. And then use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it and Ctrl+V to paste it later. Add the text content in the inspector. Click the color box to change the color and adjust the position in the frame. Scroll down to the animation area to change the appear animation and add a disappear animation. Copy this text multiple times, paste it onto different subtitle tracks, and modify their colors and position to achieve different text styles. Finally, add 2 words to a full square scene. Copy the previous added text and make necessary adjustments to achieve a more diverse scene. Additionally, music is an essential factor, so complete the basic editing and add a fade effect. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!